In this yet another lecture on lists, we people are going to see how to delete the items in a list.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
So we will learn, let me give the comment. We will learn how to delete items in a list. So what I am going to do is, first I am going to create a list with the name book_codes, and I am going to give some hypothetical values. Suppose 1001, 2009, 8007, 7005, then 5666, 4999. Okay, so these are the values of the list. Now I will print all the items by writing print book_codes, and as you are aware that the same thing could have been accomplished by writing, I am writing it in comments, or we could have written it like this: print book_codes and colon, right? This is just to revise the things. Okay, so now I am going to use this method del. I would write del book_codes. I have used this command del, then I would write del book_codes within square brackets. I am writing 2. Now what does it mean? It means the item at index number 2 would be deleted. So the item at index number 2 is 8007. It will be deleted. So in order to illustrate this, I would be printing this statement again, print book_codes, so that we can see that the item at index number 2 has been removed. Okay, click on right click on the program name, then go to run. Okay, so here is the output. Okay, so you can see first it is printing the whole list, and in the second output it is displaying the list without the value 8007 because it has been deleted. Okay, now I would write del book. I will tell you how to delete a range of values. So del book_codes, and let me write for example, now we are left with 5 items only. Earlier there were 6 items, now we are left with 5 items because we have deleted 1 item. So now I am going to write del book_codes to, suppose it's an example, just an example, 2:5. Now what does it mean? It means starting from index number 2 till index number 4, the items will be deleted. So I will get it printed on the screen. I will get the list printed on the screen so that we can see that these items have been removed. So it's a kind of range starting from index number 2 till index number 4, not 5, 4. So yeah, you can see. So starting from index number 2, that was 7005, and till 4999, all these 3 values, they were removed, and when I printed the list, it printed only 2 items which were left in the list. Okay, right, so far so good. Now we will learn how to delete the whole list. I want to delete all the items of the list. So in order to do this, you would write del and simply give the name of the list. That's it. So, and after that I will print this list book_codes. Let's see the output. So right click on the program, go to run, and yes, as you can see, no output is being shown, and the compiler is showing an error also, book_codes is not defined. Actually this error is very much valid because we have deleted the whole list.